This family of sprayers is designed for your comfort and safety. In this video, we will inform you step by step the benefits of a Swiss Mex sprayer. Designed to resist the application of acetone, lacquer, thinner, and MEK, methyl ethyl ketone, also called butanone in the construction industry. The application is done by mixing the product you will use and then spraying it on your target. Make sure to carefully read the product and equipment instructions. We will explain to you step by step the components of the sprayer. Our tank is super strong and light, not heavy. They are made of polyethylene and is impact resistant. We offer 4 sizes: 0.5 gallons, 2, 3.5, and 4 gallons. Choose the one according to your needs. Equipped with an extra large handle to carry the sprayer around your construction site. Dual pressurization. The pumping system is the heart of your sprayer. Once you have the liquid inside the tank, just screw on the pumping system and make sure it is well sealed. You have 2 options to pressurize the tank. Conventional hand pump, which consists of pulling up and down the handle until pressurized, or through the convenient Schrader inflation valve. This allows for rapid pressurization with an air compressor or connection to a compressor with an option clip-on air chuck. This provides uniform, consistent pressure and material flow, while saving time by removing the need for hand pumping. When pressurizing with an air compressor, set the compressor output pressure to approximately 40 psi. Note, never unscrew the system without releasing pressure. Use release valve and only fill the tank to the level indicated on the side. Do not overfill. On all models, excluding the 0.5 gallon, you have a shoulder carrying strap, which allows for easy mobility while using the sprayer. It includes clips to secure the strap on the tank to be able to easily place it on the shoulder. You are now ready to use the sprayer. To activate the sprayer, grip the handle and squeeze the trigger to activate it. The spray pattern will emerge from the nozzle. Just point it to the spot you need. One feature is that the nozzle has different spraying patterns. Just turn the nozzle and stop where it fits your needs. Additional tips are included. We also offer a different variety of tips, from flat fan, brass adjustable, cone and stream, that create different spray patterns. We also offer wand extensions to help the user reach further, and a variety of accessories and spare parts. Always aim downwards or in front of you to achieve better coverage. The ideal height of application is 6 inches. The pressure of the sprayer goes from 1.5 to 2.5 bar, 22 to 36 psi, to ensure a perfect spraying pattern. The spray wand is made of brass and the nozzle of plastic to guarantee durability on your applications. All the O-rings and seals are made of EPDM, which are resistant to acetone-based products. The hose is 51 inches and is made with a special rubber which is chemical resistant. This ensures the durability of the sprayer. Located at the bottom to allow uniform and consistent flow of liquid compared to a siphon tube design on other brands and models. There is an integrated funnel top on the 4-gallon sprayer to avoid impurities going into the tank. Always remember to protect yourself and use proper personal protective equipment, PPE, while applying products. Recommended PPE includes gloves, safety glasses, and a mask or respirator. If you become in contact with the product, follow the TIS and safety data of said product. Read the instructions manual of the sprayer and the product you are applying before you start. We provide a 1-year warranty on your unit on fabrication defects. Don't forget to always clean the sprayer with water once you finish application. Do not leave product in sprayer. We can assure you our sprayer is light, easy to handle, and very versatile. Start using your Swiss Mex sprayer today.